Tesla's infotainment system can sometimes glitch. When this happens, you have two main reset options: a soft reboot and a factory reset. A soft reboot is a quick, non-destructive restart of the touchscreen. A factory reset erases all personal data and settings, restoring the car to its original state. Choosing the right method is key to resolving issues effectively. We'll guide you through both. A soft reboot is your first line of defense for minor issues like a frozen screen or app crashes. To perform a soft reboot, hold down both scroll buttons on the steering wheel simultaneously. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds. The touchscreen will turn black and restart. This process takes about 30 to 60 seconds and won't affect driving functions or saved settings. It's like restarting your computer, quick and easy. A factory reset is a drastic measure for persistent problems. Before proceeding, back up any important data to the cloud or a USB drive, as this process will erase everything. On your Tesla's touchscreen, go to Controls. From Controls, select Service. In Service, select Factory Reset, Confirm. You'll need to enter your Tesla account PIN and approve the reset via the Tesla app for security. This process takes 10 to 15 minutes, after which you'll need to set up the vehicle from scratch. Use a soft reboot for minor glitches like touchscreen freezes, app crashes, or slow performance of the infotainment system. Reserve a factory reset for more serious issues, such as persistent software corruption, selling the vehicle, or troubleshooting major hardware faults that haven't been resolved by other means. Always try a soft reboot first to avoid unnecessary data loss. Tesla's software ecosystem is constantly evolving, with regular updates improving vehicle functionality and user experience. For added security, factory resets now require two-factor authentication through the Tesla app. This prevents unauthorized access and ensures only the vehicle owner can perform full system resets. Tesla's system now includes integrated troubleshooting that prompts users to attempt a soft reboot before initiating a full factory reset. This helps resolve many issues without data loss and streamlines the process. Additionally, Tesla's AI-driven diagnostics now proactively identify and suggest resets for known software issues. This intelligent system analyzes vehicle data to recommend the appropriate reset type, making troubleshooting more efficient and user-friendly. Tesla's resets are becoming smarter with AI-assisted diagnostics that can predict and automate resets for common issues. Future resets may integrate energy-efficient modes to reduce battery drain during the process. Tesla is working on adaptive resets that only reset the affected modules, minimizing downtime. The goal is 100% over-the-air upgradability, potentially phasing out manual resets for most users. Many Tesla owners have successfully resolved various issues using different types of resets. Here are some real-world examples that demonstrate the effectiveness of these procedures. First, a 2024 Model Y owner reported persistent touchscreen lag following a software update in June 2024. Tesla support guided them through a soft reboot, which cleared the temporary memory issues and restored smooth operation without any data loss. Second, during the 2024 Cybertruck launch, early adopters encountered infotainment system boot loops due to hardware-software mismatches. Performing a full factory reset restored complete functionality, as documented in Tesla's service bulletins. Third, in Europe following Tesla's 2025 supercharger expansion, users reported language switching bugs in the infotainment system. Resets resolved these issues, with studies showing a 95% improvement in system stability for over 500 reported cases. These real-world examples illustrate how Tesla resets can effectively resolve a wide range of issues, from minor glitches to major system problems, helping owners maintain optimal vehicle performance. Experts emphasize the importance of resets, but advocate for more intuitive prompts. Cybersecurity experts warn of reset vulnerabilities if pins are weak, recommending app-based 2FA. Statistics show that 15% of service center visits involve reset-related issues, down from 25% in 2023 due to software improvements. Soft reboots have a 98% success rate, while factory resets have a 95% success rate, according to Tesla's internal metrics.